Alright, let's talk about something that's making headlines, shaking up economies, the Trump tariff war with India. Now, trade wars might sound like stuffy economics, but trust me, this is a real-life drama with ripple effects you probably feel every time you go shopping or even just scroll through your feed. So, here's the short version. Back in 2018 and 2019, the Trump administration started slapping tariffs, basically taxes, on imports from all over the world, including India. The idea was to protect American industries and push other countries to cut trade barriers. But as you'd expect, India wasn't going to just stand there and take the hit. They fired back with their own tariffs on U.S. goods, apples, almonds, motorcycles, whiskey. Let's break it down. Tariffs make imported goods more expensive. So, if you're an American buying Indian steel, it suddenly costs more. And if you're sitting in Mumbai craving American almonds, guess what? Your snack just got pricier too. This back and forth is what economists call a tit-for-tat trade war, and it can get messy, fast. What's wild is how quickly this escalated. India was actually part of a U.S. trade program called GSP, which let them sell thousands of products in America without paying extra taxes, but in 2019, the U.S. kicked India out of that program, which was a major blow to Indian exporters. In response, India raised tariffs on dozens of American products. Suddenly, American farmers, especially those exporting almonds and walnuts, started feeling the squeeze. For regular people, this means higher prices and sometimes fewer choices. Businesses get nervous too, because uncertainty in trade makes it harder to plan ahead. Imagine you're a small business owner importing spices or selling bikes overseas. Overnight, your costs and profits can swing wildly. But there's more to this than just dollars and cents. The US and India are two of the world's biggest democracies, and both want to be global tech and manufacturing powerhouses. So, these trade tensions aren't just about tariffs. They're also about who gets to set the rules of the game in the future. Since then, there have been talks and some efforts to patch things up, but the scars from this tariff war haven't totally healed. And as global politics keep shifting, what happened between Trump and India is a reminder. In the world of trade, every action has a reaction, and the fallout can land just about anywhere. So the next time you see news about tariffs, remember, it's not just politicians and diplomats at the table, it's all of us, every day feeling the impact.
Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.